Hello, 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 and this is your video. My name's Lindsay, and this is a video just to show some of the techniques I've found using simply Paint. That's MS Paint, and I'm just using, as you can see, OBS Studio 24.0.3. This is just for capturing the screen, and here I'll go into Paint. I've got one open already. There we go. So, okay, one of the techniques I've found with Paint, I'll just start off with a fresh canvas, and one of the techniques I've found is just by using some of the fill techniques, it makes some interesting patterns. So, for example, a starry night. Make a square, a rectangle at the top there, and make it full screen. Okay, up there. Actually, I won't make it so low, so I'll make it up there. So we have a bit of, we'll put in a bit of horizon about there. So the fill, so I'll put it as oil. Now, interesting technique with the oil is when you fill over the top of that oil, it goes like that. Now that looks like a pretty starry sky there. But if you just use a normal, if you just like put a rectangle, start it again, rectangle, and just draw it with for example, one of these colors. That's the actual oil color you get, like that. So it must be like the reverse, what's left over. I'm not exactly sure why it does that, but yeah, when you put it on the white screen and then color over the top, you get that. But the funny thing is you can't color over the top of it when it's like that. You can color there, or change the color to say red. You can't color over that very easily. You have to click many times to make any difference at all. However, if you go over it again with another rectangle, change that to marker. Let's see if we can color over that. You can color over the marker area, but still not very easily. On this one, slightly better, not that well. Let's do it again. Go over it again, the marker, and let's do no outline, and we'll make it green again. Feel that goes fine, that goes fine. Not making that much difference. I'll go over it again in green. And how about we do the red fill? Sorry. I'll go the red on that one there. Yeah, it's much better. And blue. So, like, if you go over it a few times, you can get an interesting effect from the marker. Say we'll do a yellow one. Makes for some interesting effects if you just go over the filters there like that. I'll do it one more time, and what we'll do is red one. That's a bit too dark. Just leave it like that and put in, there we go. This can be like a sun sunset on the water effect, but it doesn't really work with the black sky. So, but yeah, that could be like a sunset, or even like a boat or something that's got a red sail, perhaps through the moonlight. Let's try that. A boat, wooden boat sitting up there. This boat, let's color in. Has a beautiful red sail. It's got a little wooden part at the top, and then this red sail. Unusual sail. Not the standard type by any means. Okay, and let's see how this goes. So we've got this red looking sail there. Could even just colour in that. You don't really need the stars as much behind the sails. Maybe even use the spray paint feature there. Go over that red a bit. Alright, so there we go. Colour in some of that. You can still see a little bit of the bright stars shining through. And so that'll give it kind of we'll change it to blue, kind of a look of the marks there. So this is the sail reflected into the water. Make it a little bit more wavy there. Something like that. Okay, and have that little bit of a post image from about there. There we go. Make that a little bit thicker there. Not quite that thick. Okay, and that's about it. Slight little, oops, don't want the thin one, we'll get back to the thick one again. And okay. Alright, so there's a little bit of a reflection there. Make the water go all the way across there. And put the moon up in the sky there. Big moon. It will be white eventually. Okay. Okay. And the light of the moon can be reflected as well. A bit larger again. Just to a straight on. Try and make it a little bit straighter than that. Okay, so it can just be like. Alright. Something like that. Take out some of the bumps there. Alright, and I'll put even a little bit more water over the top so you get the oh my gosh, sometimes it doesn't respond like you like it to. Okay, a little bit of water over the top to make it a little bit more faded. Probably even do like a lighter line for the just for the waves. A couple of waves coming through there. There's actually a break coming in here. So this one's right near the shore. Just about to break. Get a bit of white again. Just simple colours. As this one's just about to break on the shore. Crumbling there a bit. Go back to a line. Those lines have been modified there. Once again, breaking there a bit. And we'll shade that in again. Alrighty. This one, we'll make it go back and forth this way. Show the direction of the wave there a bit. Trying to hide that line a bit. Don't need to see that line too much. And make it a little bit smaller for the part there. A little bit lumpy. Show the surges. Alright, so go back to the thick lines and do a little bit of a it's showing the direction of the swirl there, going up over there. Could even do a few black spots glistening under the few things shining underneath the ocean there. Rocks. Sparkling in the moonlight. Maybe shells. Alright. Alright, then a bit more texture to that boat. Just a few little change the colour there a little bit, just for a bit more detail. Alrighty, and you can't see the people. They're probably having a lie down on the deck there, looking at the sunlight, the moonlight. Not much swell coming through. A little bit of rocking there. Well, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it.